gentlemen of media, baka HRFA vele sebabalakhaya, family. But we are here today to fulfill our last bit of the promise that we had made to the initiative Lebesnayo early this year. In front of us, Cinema Pola, Nema Soccer Kit, inclusive of our favorite goal scorer. Lana, we were able to accumulate 1,515 WEMA votes and registrations from successfully the Ngonini FC team. And as promised, with their compliance, Nelema Colors Akona, we were able to pick a kit, less Kabangakusi, Itao sugar, and obviously green represents money. So there's a lot of prosperity coming forward for Ngonini FC. So Stawubonga nje na Ngonini FC na HRFA for lokusebenzisa kahle the whole journey. And here's the kit that we are presenting to Ngonini FC. Aksiwo lawa kuphela, by the way, there's a whole bag lemakit ningaze ngithi awuba le 550 kuphela. No, it's not. Yes. Ngiloko nje kuphela. Yes. And thank you all for being part of this journey between Diskibet and HRFA. Siyabonga as well to the Hoho region for participating with us and Kusmela as Diskibet and trusting ukuthi sitawusebenzisana kahle as bantu baka Hoho and bantu baka Diskibet and bantu baka HRFA as a whole. Sibonga na EFA nekusibambisa as well, kusidlalisa kahle ngema rules and making sure ukuthi everyone was safe and ensuring ukuthi lama rules were actually followed. Bekude tinkinga lebesinato, of course everybody bekafuna kuwina, but we were able to have a successful team at the end. There must always be the champion. Thank you so much HRFA for always pushing and always being part of the journey, and we look forward to another partnership soon, next year maybe. Asicaqedi, but plana kahle ukuthi yini lokulandzelako for everyone eSwatini akhone benefit with HRFA and Diskibet as well. Thank you.